If you're tired of back-breaking snow shoveling and want a faster, easier way to clear your driveway, it might be time to upgrade to an electric snow shovel. But with so many electric snow shovels on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the 7 best electric snow shovels. Whether you're looking for something lightweight or powerful, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 7 is the Wen Cordless Snow Shovel, the most budget-friendly option on our list. This lightweight and compact tool is perfect for small to medium snow clearing jobs, such as sidewalks, patios, and driveways. This electric snow shovel is cordless, which means no messy cords getting in your way and no need for a nearby outlet. Just pop in a 20-volt battery and you're good to go. The 12-inch wide clearing path and 4-inch snow depth capacity make quick work of fresh snowfall. Plus, it's designed to throw snow up to 20 feet, so you won't have to keep re-shoveling the same spot. At only 6 pounds, this snow shovel is easy to handle. Even if you're not the strongest person around, you'll have no trouble maneuvering it. It also has an ergonomic design to make things more comfortable, especially for longer jobs. However, if you're dealing with heavy or packed snow, it might struggle to keep up. Overall, it's perfect for those looking to ditch traditional shovels for a more efficient and less strenuous option, especially for sidewalks, decks, or small driveways. Number 6 is the voltas Cordless Snow Shovel. This is the most lightweight snow shovel on our list. With its 24-volt battery-powered design, you can say goodbye to cords and gas while enjoying the freedom to move around anywhere you need to. This snow shovel is built to handle light to moderate snowfall. It clears a 13-inch wide path and can handle up to 6.5 inches of snow in one go, making it perfect for sidewalks, patios, decks, and small driveways. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to carry around so you won't feel like you're wrestling with a heavy machine. Setting up this snow shovel is easy. It only takes 2 steps to put it together. Once you're ready to go, all you have to do is press a button to start it up. The snow guide plates are pretty cool too. You can adjust them by 30 degrees in either direction, which makes clearing snow a lot easier. It has enough power to throw snow up to 20 feet, with a maximum runtime of 25 minutes. It also has a dual safety switch, which is there to help prevent accidents. So using the shovel is not just simple, but also safe. Plus, it's pretty quiet for a snowblower. So if you're worried about waking up your neighbors early in the morning, no need to stress. This one gets the job done without all the noise. The adjustable front handle gives you extra comfort while you work and makes it easier to find the perfect grip. This snow shovel comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and a quick charger, so you're all set to get started right out of the box. You'll get enough runtime to handle small to medium areas, and the quick charge means you'll be back to work in no time if you need to recharge. However, it may struggle with heavy, wet, or deeper snow, making it less ideal for areas with frequent or extreme winter storms. Overall, the voltas Cordless Snow Shovel is a solid pick for anyone who needs a convenient, lightweight tool for clearing light to moderate snow. Number 5 is the Earthwise electric corded snow shovel. This is the best wheeled snow shovel on our list. This corded electric shovel packs a punch with its 12-amp motor, giving you the power to move up to 430 pounds of snow per minute. With a 16-inch wide clearing path, this snow shovel is perfect for tackling medium-sized areas. It can handle snow up to 8 inches deep in one go, so whether it's a light dusting or a decent snowfall, this tool can handle it all. The discharge chute throws snow up to 30 feet away, making sure you're not just moving snow from one spot to another. It's gone for good. This lightweight snow shovel is easy to use. It has an ergonomic handle that helps you stay comfortable, even when you're out there for a while. Assembly is a breeze too. You'll have it ready to go in no time. Plus, it's got 6-inch rear wheels, so it's easy to move around and take wherever you need it. Since it's electric, there's no dealing with gas, fumes, or complicated maintenance. Just plug it in and you're ready to clear snow quickly and quietly. Overall, the Earthwise electric snow shovel is an excellent choice for quick and easy snow removal in smaller areas. And if you want to know the latest prices for the electric snow shovels discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the SnowJoe Ion Max Cordless Snow Shovel. This is the best cordless snow shovel on our list. It's lightweight and easy to handle, great for anyone who needs to clear paths, driveways, or decks quickly. This snow shovel is powered by a 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which means no cords to trip over and no worrying about gas or fumes. Just charge it up and you're ready to go. It gives you 22 minutes of quiet runtime on a single charge. That's plenty of time to tackle a small driveway. The 13-inch wide clearing path is perfect for narrow spaces, and it can handle up to 6 inches of snow in one pass. Plus, with its powerful motor, it can throw snow up to 20 feet away, so you won't have to keep piling it up nearby. Thanks to its 6-inch rear wheels, it's easy to push and transport, even when it's icy outside. However, it's not meant for heavy-duty jobs. If you're dealing with deep, heavy, or wet snow, it might struggle a bit compared to a full-sized snowblower. Overall, the SnowJoe Ion Max is an awesome choice for light to moderate snow clearing tasks. Number 3 is the Toro Power Shovel. This is the best corded electric shovel on our list. This little machine is perfect for clearing small driveways, sidewalks, decks, and patios. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to use. Just plug it in and you're good to go. This shovel runs on a powerful 7.5 amp electric motor, which means no gas, no fumes, and no maintenance headaches. It's designed to clear snow up to 12 inches wide and 6 inches deep in a single pass, making it ideal for light snowfalls. Plus, it can toss snow up to 20 feet, so you can clear a path without piling snow right next to you. Weighing only 13 pounds, this snow thrower is easy to carry and maneuver, even if you're not the strongest person out there. The telescoping handle lets you adjust the height for a more comfortable grip, and the ergonomic design means less strain on your back. The dual safety switch prevents accidental starts, so it's safe to use even if you're new to snow clearing equipment. Overall, the Toro Power Shovel is not designed for huge snowstorms or heavy snow. It's a lifesaver for smaller areas and light snow days. Number 2 is the EGO Power Plus Multi-Head Snow Shovel Kit. This is the most powerful electric snow shovel on our list. This cordless snow shovel is packed with features to clear snow quickly and without all the heavy lifting. With a 12-inch clearing width, it's perfect for sidewalks, decks, and smaller driveways. It's powered by a 4.0 amp-hour battery, so you don't have to mess around with cords or gas. The battery gives you enough power to tackle light to moderate snowfalls, and it charges up quickly with the included 320-watt charger. This shovel has a variable speed trigger and a 2-speed selector, which lets you adjust how fast or slow the snow gets thrown. So you can easily handle different snow conditions, plus it can toss the snow up to 25 feet so you can clear a path without creating a snow pileup. It's also built with an overload protection system to keep the motor safe if things get tough. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to store, and the lightweight feel means it's simple to maneuver even for longer jobs. Overall, the EGO Power Plus is a fantastic option for those seeking a powerful cordless snow clearing solution for smaller to medium-sized tasks. Number 1 is the Greenworks Cordless Snow Shovel. This is the best overall snow shovel on our list. This tool is perfect for clearing sidewalks, patios, decks, and small driveways. With a 12-inch clearing width and the ability to handle snow up to 6 inches deep, it's great for light to moderate snowfalls. The cordless design means no tangling cords or dealing with gas. Just pop in a Greenworks 40-volt battery and you're ready to go. It's compatible with over 75 Greenworks tools, so if you already have the battery system, this is an easy add-on to your collection. Its powerful motor can throw snow up to 20 feet, making it easy to clear paths quickly. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, so you can carry it around without feeling like you're dragging a gym weight. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use even for longer periods. Keep in mind, this is the tool-only version, which means you'll need to buy a battery and charger separately. But once you're set up, it's a handy tool for tackling winter messes. Overall, the Greenworks Cordless Snow Shovel is a great choice for smaller snow clearing tasks, especially if you already own Greenworks 40-volt batteries and tools, and there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect electric snow shovel much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.